Hello everyone. This is my next lecture on numerical analysis, lecture 8. In this lecture, I will discuss the topic numerical differentiation. So, numerical differentiation is the process by which we can find the derivative of a function y equal to fx at some particular values of the independent variable when y equal to fx is given by a table of values xi, yi. The problem of differentiation is solved by first approximating the function by an interpolation formula and then differentiating this formula as many times as desired. If the values of the arguments are equally spaced, we represent the function by Newton-Gregory formula. If we desire to find the derivative of the function at a point near the beginning or end of a set of tabular values, we use Newton-Gregory forward or backward formula as required. When it is desired to find the derivative of a point near the middle of the table, we should use one of the central difference formula, the Stirling or Bessel's formula. In case the values of the argument are not equally spaced, we should use Newton's divided difference formula to represent the function, or we should represent the function by Lagrange's formula. So let us discuss this with an example, how we will choose the formula, appropriate formula. So if we have to find the first and second derivative of the function tabulated below at the point x is equal to 3.0. The tabulated values are x is equal to 3.0, 3.2, 3.4, 3.6, 3.8 and 4.0. The values of y are minus 14.000, minus 10.032, minus 5.296, 0.256, 6.672 and 14.000. So here we can see that the values of x are equally spaced, so we use Newton-Gregory's forward interpolation formula. So let us first construct the forward difference table, which you can prepare easily. The first difference delta y is 3.968, 4.736, 5.552, 6.416, 7.328. Delta square y is 0.768, 0.816, 0.864, 0.912. Delta cube y is 0.048, 0.048, 0.048. So delta power 4 y is 0. So by using Newton's Gregory's forward interpolation formula, we have fx is equal to y naught plus u delta y naught plus u minus 1 delta square y naught by factorial 2 plus u minus 1 u minus 2 by factorial 3 delta q y naught plus dot dot dot. Since in Newton's formula we know that u is equal to x minus x naught by h, so from there the value of x is x naught plus uh. So in fx, x is replaced by x naught plus uh. And we open the bracket of u, so we will get y naught plus u delta y naught plus u square minus u delta square y naught by 2 plus u cube minus 3u square plus 2u by factorial 3 delta cube y naught. Now since we have to find first and second derivative, so we will differentiate this equation twice successively. We get f dash x naught plus uh into h is equal to delta y naught plus 2u minus 1 delta square y naught by 2 plus 3u square minus 6u plus 2 divided by 6 delta cube y naught. Give this as equation 2. And the next differentiation is f double dash x naught plus uh into h square 2 delta square y naught divided by 2 plus 6u minus 6 divided by 6 delta q y naught. Take it as equation 3, or you can simplify it as 2 and 2 is cancel out, and in the next step 6 is also cancel out. So f dash x naught plus uh into h square can also be written as delta square y naught plus u minus 1 delta q y naught, and give it as equation 3. So here we can see that the values of x are 3.0, 3.2, 3.4 and so on. So the interval of differencing is 0.2. So here h is 0.2. X naught means the first value of x, which is 3.0, and x is the point where we have to find the derivative. So it is given in the question, we have to find the derivative at the point 3.0. So x is here 3.0. So this implies u is equal to x minus x naught by h. Putting the value of x, x naught and h, we will get u is equal to 0. Substituting this value of x, x naught, h and u in equation 2, we will get f dash 3.0 into 0.2 is equal to 3.968 minus 0.768 by 2 plus 2 by 6 into 0.048, which after simplification becomes 3.6. So f dash 3.0 is equal to 3.6 divided by 0.2, which is equal to 18. Now substituting these values in equation 3, we will get f double dash 3.0 into 0.2 whole square is equal to 0.768 minus 0.048. So f double dash 3.0 is 0.720 divided by 0.2 whole square, which is again equal to 18. So in this way we can find the derivative of a function. If values of x are not equally spaced, we can use the formula, Newton's divided difference interpolation formula, and proceed like this. So in the next class, next lecture, I will discuss the topic numerical integration.